How to unbind your Honkai Impact account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will give you a couple of tips on how you can unbind or unlink your Honkai Impact account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, your previous MiHoYo account should be linked to a new HoYoverse account in order to be able to play Honkai Impact, right? So currently Honkai Impact only accepts HoYoverse, but if you accidentally linked your MiHoYo account to some other dummy and useless HoYoverse account and now you want to unbind it, well, keep in mind that in an official way there isn't a way to do that, because there isn't a section in their website or in their game which allows you the option to go ahead and then simply unbind it. The only thing you can actually do is you have to contact Honkai Impact's customer care. So basically you have to contact the customer care via email and then ask them to unbind your account so that you want to link it to some other HoYoverse account, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, just come to the official website, which is honkaiimpact3.hoyoverse.com. I will make sure to drop a link below, and once you come to this email, if I scroll down, I'll just find a section called Contact Us, right? As you can see, Contact Us. So basically under Contact Us you have different type of contact methods. So you can see contact customer support, and then you can see their email address over here, which is basically in English, in Chinese, in French, and in German. So if you want to communicate in English, you can see the email over here. I'll just go ahead and just copy this email. I'll also make sure to leave this email down, which is honkai3rd_global@hoyoverse.com. Now once you just copy the email, just open up your browser and then go to Gmail or whatever mailing services you actually use, and then just hit the compose button. You want to simply mail it over here and paste that email, and then after you've done that, enter the subject such as unlink my account, right? So basically you want to describe to them in detail which HoYoverse account you want to actually unlink from which MiHoYo account. So you have to make sure to provide them the email address of the HoYoverse account or the Honkai Impact account that you actually want to unlink, so that you can link it to some other accounts. But keep in mind that this is the only way. You have to contact the customer care, hit the send button. If they reply to you, they will successfully unlink the account for you. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.